Hi, I want to share with you some thoughts on forgiveness. Really, really important. One of the most beneficial things or processes that we can do in ourselves for ourselves is to practice forgiveness. And sometimes we think about forgiveness as the big thing that something really, really bad happened and we need to forgive. But don't go there. Just be with the little things. See how you can apply forgiveness in your life on a daily basis. In the same way that you brush your teeth and you wash yourself. Forgiveness is a way of cleaning ourselves from things that happened in the past. It can be, years ago, it can happen, or things that just happened this morning or yesterday. Yeah? So we don't accumulate guilt or pain or anger or resentment. So continuously let go. Just let go. You don't need to hold the things. Yeah. If you don't understand, it's okay. But don't hold in you any kind of bad feeling or bad emotions, like anger or resentment or envy or whatever. Yeah. Don't hold it. Just let it go. Then you can do it before you go to sleep, and you can do it during the day. Just look at the day, look at something that happened, and just tell yourself, I let go. It happened, the best I could do, or the best the other person could do. Maybe I don't understand what happened or why it happened, but I don't want to hold any bad feeling or bad emotions or bad processes in me. It's not healthy. Not for me, not for everybody else. So try to apply forgiveness as a daily thing in yourself, in your life. You don't have to wait for the big things or the big special day where you do it. Just every day, whenever you can. Whenever something happened that caused an upset in you or moved you away from your balance or caused any kind of hurt or pain, notice it and let go. It's okay to experience pain. It's natural. Yeah. But we don't have to let it be there for days. It's okay. Feel it, let it go. Very, very beneficial. So look after yourself. Be kind to one another. Practice forgiveness on a daily basis. Take care. Bye-bye.